So you're trying to download Netflix movies or series directly onto your laptop and not sure how to do it. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to download Netflix movies or series directly onto your laptop. So guys, to get started, what I'm going to say is that you're not able to download this using the web version of Netflix. So the first thing you'll do once you have a computer and want to watch Netflix is to open up your browser, right? And simple type in Netflix and try to sign into your account, right? You'll find your movies or your series or whatever you want to watch and you will try to download this, but the thing is you're not able to download this using the web version of Netflix. You need to use the app version. So you need to download the app version onto your computer, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So what you want to do is to simple click the Windows key in your keyboard or taskbar, and you want to look for Microsoft Store. Right in Microsoft Store, you can open up the Microsoft Store on your PC and you can search for Netflix. So let's do that, Netflix, and we will find the Netflix app. Right, once you find a Netflix application, you'll want to go ahead and click on install. And this is going to take a few seconds really to install, and you'll be able to access Netflix directly onto your PC. Now, as you can see, Netflix is not installed on my computer. So I'm going to open it. And once you're in this Netflix, you will need to sign into your account. So you will see the option for you to, let's say, sign in, and you can sign into your account. As you can see, it already signed me in because I've had the application before. And so I just basically use Netflix right now. And this is the app version. No, I want to say this. In order for you to be able to download the movies on your computer, you have to have the necessary plan to be able to do this. And I'm going to show you, right? So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to open up Netflix here on my PC again from my browser, and I'm going to just type in Netflix plan, right? Netflix plan. I believe I can also find that within the app as well. So I'm going to choose Netflix plan right here and see. It doesn't redirect me right here, but it's perfectly fine. Let me click my account right here. Go to account, as you can see right there. And here you will see right here where it says change plan. So under overview, you will see change plan. On the change plan, you will see the plan that you have, your current plan. You can also see the current plan that you have. So as you can see the current plan right here. If I go back as well, under this section, it will also show me my current plan as well. But the reason why I'm showing you this, it's going to show you how much devices you have available so that you can download movies onto your PC. Now, as you can see under my current plan, I have one download device, and I can see under my account which device this is set to download. No, so let me show you. If I go back under my account and I go to devices right here, you can see that it shows mobile devices, right? So mobile download, this condition that I have one device, right? So right here, if I click, I have the one device and this is set to a tablet, right? So I can either choose to remove this device because it only allow for one, and that's going to allow me to download on my PC. No, I will not remove it right now because this is set for a tablet for my son. But you get the general idea. It is very important for you to know which plan you have, and the plan will determine how many devices you have available so that you can download from. So in this case, I have only the one device, but if I have the other plans which offers two devices or four devices, then this is going to allow me to download on my PC. But once you do, let's say you have the standard plan, which is for two devices, you have one tablet and you want to do your PC, or you have the premium one, which is allowed for four devices, then you'll be able to use the application on your computer, not the web app, because the web version, because this browser version of Netflix does not allow you to download on your computer. You need to have the app version, which is why we download it from the Microsoft Store. But once you do have that, all you have to do, guys, is to simply go ahead, open up Netflix, find a movie or series or whatever it is that you want to download on your computer. You find it, and once you hover over that, it will give you the download option so that you can download it on your computer. And it's going to be available for you right here next to the options so that you can download it, right? If you're looking for series and stuff like that as well, you will be able to find series. So you need to scroll down, find the series, hover over the series, something like that. Click the drop down and you'll find the episodes. You can see all the episodes as well. And so you'll be able to download those as well. And this is the simple and easy and official steps that you will need to take to ensure that you download Netflix movies or series on your laptop. So, guys, if you're looking for how to do it, this is it. But I'm gonna just quickly recap this to you. Ensure that you have the correct plan that allows you to do it in multiple devices, especially if you have it on your mobile or tablet. If you don't have it on any of those, the one device is perfectly fine. Once you have the correct plan, ensure that you download the Netflix application from the Microsoft Store onto your laptop. Don't use the web browser version because that will not allow you to download it. And once you download the app version from the Microsoft Store, like I have here, which I showed you, then you want to sign in and you'll have the option to download it. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.